Well, hello, Coffee Time friends. You want to talk Southern Sunday lunch? Boy, has Mama got it today. Tell them all about this pot, Mama.
This has got my green beans.
These are the ones we showed you in the big red bowl. And it's fresh cooked today. And these new potatoes. These are those Yukon Golds. And look at all that pot liquor in there. She left some water
I fixed it for you.
We're going to do cornbread and have this. And that's a meal.
That is.
Can't wait. The oven's heating up for the cornbread. Mama will throw that in there. Mama, what do you think about that?
They're doing good.
It's one of my favorite parts of summer.
Yeah, and I stuck a fork in that and it's tender. So I put them on before this morning and let them
Before
cook.
this morning?
Before now. I put them on earlier this morning and let them cook about an hour, and then I put my potatoes in there and they cooked a little bit, and I just turned them off and went to church.
But it was in this kettle with the lid on it, so it just kept cooking.
This kettle is the Town Craft. They cook right on for a long time and stuff.
And they boiled instantly when you turn them back on. So they really hadn't even cooled down that much.
No.
So we're ready, and that's gonna be Southern Sunday lunch today. Some of y'all probably having the same thing.
Yeah.
Mom, you look pretty today.
Well, thank you.
Sunflowers. You're all stylish. Don't take that big kettle.
Oh, that's all right. It's just half full. It ain't
Oh my
hardly
goodness.
hot.
What are you gonna do? It's done. Put the lid
I'm
on.
gonna keep it hot so for the bread base. I don't want it to get cold.
She won't leave it long. It could be fine right here with that lid on it. Stay hot for hours. But she likes to put it back over there and
Let it burn your tongue.
let it burn your tongue. So we're just gonna stir up some cornbread, and y'all seen that 1,000 times. So what are y'all eating today? Leave a comment. Maybe we'll eat it tomorrow. Whatever y'all put on here usually gets me hungry, and I think, boy, I like to have what they had. And then I'll think, I'll do that Monday night or Wednesday night or Thursday night. So that's what you're eating today. Mommy, anything you want to add today?
No, we've had a good church service
And lunch is ready.
and just about it. So
Can't beat that with a stick, as they
we're
say.
ready to go.
That's right. So a little cornbread, and then we'll be eating green beans with potatoes with some good cornbread. Mama, I
And
think
maybe
I'm
a sliced tomato.
slice of tomato, maybe a slice of onion.
Yeah.
I may need a bowl for my
Oh,
hot
to
liquor.
get your juice up.
Yeah, but I won't complain.
No.
All right, folks. Mama, you want me to make cornbread, or you gonna make it?
I'll make it right quick.
Mama says I ain't feeling with you. All right, we're gonna make cornbread. That'll take 25 minutes to bake, and we'll be ready to eat here in just a matter of by 1:15. And by the way, I want to tell y'all, yesterday morning we was eating at 10 o'clock, just like I told her.
2 minutes after 10.
No, Mama.
You was eating, but I wasn't.
Exactly, but she could have been eating at 10 o'clock. I told her, I said, that don't count. Just because you're a butterfly and won't light, don't mean that I didn't have it on the table at 10 o'clock in the morning. And we had gravy and biscuits and eggs and what else? Bologna. I fixed a good breakfast in a short amount of time yesterday morning.
He done good.
I did. We didn't do nothing else the rest of the day.
No.
Did a little chores, but that was it.
Yeah.
Today's going to be a wonderful Sunday lunch.
Yeah.
Not a lot of prep, not a lot of cooking, not a lot of dishes. Just that big old kettle of green beans. We could fix something to go with it, but I'm going to tell you, we would eat that and say, I can make a meal out of this.
We do a lot of times.
And then we said, we didn't eat the rest of the stuff, and that's how we'd act.
Yeah.
All right, Mama. You got nothing else for them?
No. Just goodbye, Mama, and God bless you.
I'll
all.
go get the sweet tea, y'all's sweet tea.
Yeah, we gotta have tea.
Mama made it fresh yesterday, so we'd have it good for Sunday. We always make it on Saturday. She does. And so we're going to have y'all's sweet tea, home garden green beans that she just cooked this morning with some Yukon Gold. The potatoes are from the store, but they're them little baby ones that's so tender. And Mama's going to stir some cornbread, she said.
Yeah, and that's it. That's all we're gonna do.
And that's going to be Southern Sunday lunch today. Y'all have a blessed day. Find you something good to eat. Make you some memories. Enjoy today. It's a beautiful sky today.
Beautiful sky.
Mama was just talking at church how beautiful everything was.
Oh, it's so blue.
And the
It's so
temperature is just 66 degrees. It's so nice out there. It's just a good day to sit on the porch and count your blessings and watch your pups, and maybe a hummingbird or two will drift by. Who knows what the possibilities may be. Not sure what Mama is stirring up, but it looks good. Nikki, that was peanut, green beans, and taters. Irene says, yum. Something's wrong with the comments. They've stopped.
They're stuck.
Link Miller says they're coming over to eat.
Who?
Link Miller. You have a relaxing evening. Tracy, you too. The comments have quit. I don't even know if we're still on. We may not even be on with y'all right now.
Oh, wow.
Anyhow, say goodbye, Mama.
Goodbye, Mama. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all.